It's kind of a mixed bag.
Yeah, it really is. It's not going to be raining or storming the entire time. There's a couple rounds we're going to have to watch out for. But yeah, storms in the forecast this morning. We have fog, we have a lot of clouds. Then by midday, we develop some showers, even the chance for a storm. But the greater chance for storms is going to come later on today. And in fact, we will see some sunshine before we get there. We look at radar and satellite, a lot of clouds out there. There's some storms off to our northwest. And as you glance, we get a wide picture of our system still spinning near the Great Lakes. And it continues to bring a wide swath of some severe weather threats across the country. So continuing to advance off to the east, where there's some severe storms still across the mid-Atlantic, so down to our south. Here's what I think is going to happen as we get through the late morning into the early afternoon. This is when we could have the chance for a shower storm to pop up, continuing to keep a lot of this cloud cover around. As we get into the afternoon, we'll start to break away on some of that cloud cover, and then the cold front is going to start to approach and is going to fire off some of these showers and storms that you're seeing in this line off to the far northwest. This is when we do have the chance that some of these could be on the stronger side, and this will continue to slide through our area by the evening and really winding down by, say, 10, 11 o'clock or so. So as we look at other things going on right now, we have some pretty low visibility within Worcester County. So at some points, you could encounter some of that low-hanging cloud cover. 60s to start, and by this afternoon, we're going to make it in a range of the low to mid 70s, continuing to hold on to that muggy air mass. Humidity gone tomorrow, and it's going to be drier. We'll take a look at that forecast ahead. Rain, at times there could be some thunder as well. So that's what we're watching for today. But I know there's a lot of events happening today. You'll want to get outside. It's your weekend. You can still find time to do that. You just need to be weather aware throughout the day. Less humid by tomorrow morning. Welcome relief there. And then we'll have some showers to watch out for tomorrow, but it's pretty light stuff. So here's our system. It's spinning near the Great Lakes, a warm front bringing some storms across New York State. And then you can follow the line of clouds and showers and storms all the way back down to the south associated with the cold front. This has been a pretty feisty system here over the past 24 hours. You can see all these storm reports, and these are thunderstorm damage reports, as well as where you see those red icons. Those are tornado reports. It's even brought a dust storm in Chicago, a very rare event there. So a lot of energy with this, and some of that energy and moisture is going to come our way, but it's not going to be as strong. So here's our severe storm risk for today, and the best chance for this is where you see the yellow shading. So for western Mass and into parts of western Worcester County here, storms that develop, there could be some scattered ones that do become strong to severe. And this is where we're going to have the most instability to work with, and timing it out with that cold front that moves on through. Still a chance that a couple of these storms could turn severe within Metro West. But again, the greatest chance is going to be the farther west that you are today. We're really highlighting this in the afternoon and the evening. The greatest threat for us is going to be damaging wind gusts near and above 60 miles per hour. As with any storm, downpours are possible, frequent lightning. There's a chance for hail as well, and the tornado risk, not zero, but it's a very low risk. And I think the best bet for that is going to be if you're traveling for far western New England, so parts of Vermont and into far northwest Mass. Now we look at our future forecast for today. We keep a lot of clouds and that fog with us this morning. By late morning, a shower or storm could pop up, and that'll continue into the afternoon. But watch what happens. The farther west that you get, you're clearing away some of that cloud cover. So this is going to provide some energy for those storms to get developing again, and then be on the stronger side. Well, we're still hanging out with some cloud cover across eastern Mass a little bit longer, but we do get into some sunshine. So this is what I'm saying is, like, this afternoon you will have a break where you can still get outside, but you do still want to be weather aware, because here you can see these storms firing up off to our west, and this is going to sneak on through the evening. And then by the time it gets to us by tonight, I think it'll lose a lot of its energy. So we're just talking about some showers and downpours throughout Metro West by tonight. The good thing about this cold front, though, is that it's going to get rid of the moisture in the air. It's going to be much drier tomorrow, so less humidity, and it's not going to feel as muggy. Our future forecast shows we wake up to some sunshine and clouds tomorrow. Then by the afternoon, there's still a chance that some showers are going to rotate in with this. Temperatures are starting off mild. We're in the low 60s. It also feels muggy coming in on a southwest breeze, just pulling in more of that low-level moisture. Our afternoon temperatures are going to range in the 70s. A lot of us reaching the mid-70s, and by tomorrow, not quite as warm, but still going to be above average, as we're going to be in the upper 60s to the low 70s. As you look at the rest of the 7-day forecast, we're going to cool off back into the 50s. So enjoy this 70s streak that we have while it lasts.